Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade apple butter, which is an amazing topper for toast. For the ingredients you'll need peeled, cored, and sliced apples, granulated sugar, brown sugar, salt, apple pie spice, vanilla, and a crockpot. First combine a half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of apple pie spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Then pour the apples into a slow cooker and top it with the sugar mixture. Pour in a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix it all together. Cover the crock pot and set it to high for 6 hours. Once the 6 hours is up, you're good to go, but I decided to put mine in a blender and blend it until smooth. Pour it into an airtight container and store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, or you can freeze it for longer. And that's it! It's so easy to make, and it made the house smell amazing while it was cooking down. Like I said, it's a great topper for toast. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.